I know, right? Do you see that thing? What's it doing all the way out here? You think we should open it? Okay. Whose stuff is this? Super weird. Whoa! Liam! Was that necessary? Two can play that game. Ha! Whoa! What the? Crazy dirty. Liam? But… Liam? Liam? It's Ava! Come on! Pretty insane, right? What? Yeah, let's do it! Our very own secret room. But first… Whoa! Look it! Oh no, Liam! What? Am I an elf? No way! This makes more sense. Let's clean! How long has this place been this way? Ugh! Jeez, these things are everywhere. What's in here? Oh no! What'd you find? I'm a cleaning box, see? Watch out, cobwebs! Here we come! Yeah! Ugh! Take that! Ah! Whoa! I'm sorry, are you okay? Good. Wait a minute. Look at these blue walls. My favorite color, too! Think the whole room's this color? Ugly wallpaper be gone! Ugh! Got it! Not too shabby. Oh! Please let me do the last one! If it means that much to you. Ha! All done. Phew. That took a lot out of me. There's a whole spool of yarn here. Of course! I think I can make something happen. Stick this guy right in here. And just a few more of them. It doesn't look like much yet, but just wait till the yarn comes in. If you twist it around the right way, following the pattern of the pins, you can spell out a whole word. Huh? How did you do that? It says unicorn! Who knew you could do that? Wait, what about these things? Oh yeah! Nice! These sure were easy to hang. Look, Ava. Whoa! Oh yeah. Huh? What's happening? Oh no! Was that an earthquake? But what's in this magic box? Is it just me, or is this hat super stylish? Now we're talking. No. Ha! This is awesome! Bravo! Freaky, huh? Yeah? Get ready to see some real magic. Don't do it! I did it! Ta-da! Oh, you have a gift! Thanks. Is this thing rigged? Wait a minute. This place needed a relaxing hammock. Perfect for mindless scrolling. Check it out. Cozy, right? Wow! Let me try. No way. Then I'll take you off of it myself. See? Stop! Nobody tickles me! Ah! Pool noodle! Strike!
Yeah!
You want a piece of me? Come on! I'm gonna get you eventually! No, come on, have mercy! What? Wait a minute. These things are more versatile than I thought. Yeah, they are. Use a blade to cut a slit halfway through the noodle. Keep going until it's in half. Then slice it this way. Keep going all the way down. Put the pieces all in a row. And use hot glue and globs like this. Before it dries, keep stacking them using the same technique. And eventually, you'll have a whole mat. Put it somewhere hard, and you've got yourself a comfy spot. Yep. Wow! Mind if I join you? Please? No. I've got reading to catch up on. Now, where was I? Wait, look at this! I'm rich! Look! Wait, that was in there? Maybe there's more! Keep looking! Ugh, where's the rest of the cash? What a bummer. Unless finders keepers is the rule. This thing's mine. It's not a wall, but it'll do. Hey, you! Huh? Oh no! Whoa! What? Get back here! What's inside this thing? We could use some spray paint. But for what? I have an idea! If you have old books lying around, spray them all the same color. It may take you a little while, but the result will be well worth it. See? It's like a cool sculpture or something. Now it's on display. Very nice. What's Liam doing? What is all this stuff? A shoebox? Ding ding ding! These look like they're brand new! Do they fit? That would be a yes! Where's the trash? I'll just leave it right here. Hey! These things are pretty strong! Whoa! Here you go! Ugh! Huh? How is this happening? It's gonna ruin the wall! You can just take it down. Watch this. I'm getting crafty up in here. Whoa! A handmade box. But it can also be a floating shelf. Impressed? That's so creative! May I? Aw, so cute! But it's still missing something. What can I do with all this? Ugh, that's dumb. Whoops! Or maybe that's not a bad idea. My aim sure is interesting. Of course! Let me turn this thing on. Ugh, my eyes! Anything resembling a lampshade over there? What's this attached to? No! Ugh! Oh, I'm seeing stars, people. Look at all this. I'm okay. Okay. Let me help you. This is a lot of rope. Actually, it's just what I was looking for. Have rope lying around, put some glue on the small piece. Just the end. Then connect the ends like this. Once it's dry, add some more glue around the whole thing. You can then stick them to an inflated balloon. Don't worry, it'll make sense soon. Ta-da! Now this is the shape we want. It fits perfectly over the bulb. Pretty neat, right? It's just so beautiful! I agree. We've made quite the cozy spot, huh? Our little secret hideout. And to think no one knows about this but us! Just takes a little outside-of-the-box thinking. Okay, a lot of it. Check out this before and after. It's simply perfect. Huh? Liam! Wake up! Come on! Where's that armoire? What are you talking about? I swear it was right here. Ugh, it was fun while it lasted. Wish you had your own secret hideaway? You can make any space your own with a little quick thinking and imagination. What would you build in your secret space? Let us know and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome hacks.